Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Brex to track spend for product testing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Brex, brex.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your device for the verification code. Input the verification code in the appropriate field. Click on the login button to access your Brex account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your account summary. To track your spend, click on the Transactions tab found in the sidebar. Here, you can filter transactions by date, category, or amount. Review your product testing spend by selecting the relevant filters. You can also download transaction details if needed for further analysis. To log out when you're finished, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Logout from the drop-down menu. This completes the process for logging into Brex to track your spend for product testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.